Okay, so our first video, we are going to make a different species of slime. So we have our colors. Maya left with the purple, but it's
It's
okay.
okay.
So we are going to get the glue. Yeah, we are. Okay, so we have our glue.
I'm gonna start off really small, so not that much. That's it. That's it. No, like if you saw my face, you'd die.
Ooh, Jada, added a
So
little too much.
that's okay, right? You have like a whole other gallon. Okay. This is my glue. This is my glue.
Put that down.
Yep.
So, get
Get
a fork. Get like something to mix it with.
I'm using blue. Do you guys have like plastic forks?
No, go on that little drawer
This
and look for something to mix stuff with.
Oh, there are two thingies in there.
Okay.
1 spoon, 2 spoons. These? Will it get in trouble?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, so I choose this red color.
And I'm choosing some sky blue. Girl, have you heard of just opening it?
Oh, I forgot about this part.
That's probably a bad idea to do.
What?
Trying to open it with your mouth. Dang. These are hard. Oh, I got something.
Okay. So,
Lucky. Okay. Well, I'm probably just going to be using that much because I want it to be a really light blue. I want mine to be like a pastel-y color and just a little darker. But I won't need to worry about that because the detergent is blue or green. I'm okay if it's blue, but if it's green, then that's still okay, I guess. It'll just be a different shade.
no, it won't.
Is the detergent clear?
Whoa. It just turned to be red automatically. Okay. So this is all the red I'm using. See? Now
Yeah,
it's
that's
just time
probably all the
to...
glue I'm using. Nothing came out when I tried to pour it in, but
Because it like turned red easily. So
obviously.
once... I'm making like bubblegum.
This is my color.
I'm making bubblegum slime.
I'm making like the sky blue slime
So I'm just trying to get like all the white.
away.
Yeah, because there's a lot of white in the bottom.
Can you add in a little bit of Tide? I make slime at home.
Okay, 1 second. Let me just... I'm gonna add at the same time.
Okay. Don't add too much, or else.
Whoa.
Oh God, just pour it in.
Wait, no, look. That's a little thing.
Yeah. That's what I was telling you. Just pour it in.
No, because it's a big top. Okay. So... Oh.
Just yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna need that much because it's glue all. And glue all is actually pretty hard to make slime with.
Mine is already starting to form into slime.
Mine too. It might take... I wouldn't touch it if I was you because it's gonna take a long time.
It's gonna be sticky.
Yeah, kind of.
I'm okay.
Okay.
This is kind of cringy
So this
because it kind of
Tide-
looks like it's like lumpy, and I want to throw up. I think mine has a bit too much.
of Tide? No. You just have to keep mixing it. Oh, yeah, it does.
Let's see.
Just start mixing it together with your hands.
It's called kneading. Yeah, there's a baby pushing me. Stop your pushing.
Okay, so mine is actually turning out really good.
Mine is like,
Rubber.
yeah.
Let me see.
We need lotion.
Okay. Keep doing this.
Okay. Ugh. I do not like how it smells.
Okay, so
Do you guys have lotion?
yeah.
Okay, good, because some slimes need it. Like this one right here.
Okay, so I'm gonna add like a little bit of Tide.
Careful.
Does not need that much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually. Oh my god.
Pick that up. Don't let her pick it up. She's gonna put it in her mouth. She's gonna choke on it.
Lele, stop.
I'm making
I have it?
bubblegum slime.
Thank you, Lele.
So it is kind of sticky, but it will be okay.
Don't
So-
touch this, okay? Because we don't want you
colors.
to eat it. Not that you would. Will you stop touching? We're trying to make a video here.
Bring her to my grandmother.
Yeah. But if she
I mean to grandma. I said to my grandmother. I'm used to saying that because of my here.
No, she won't let me pick her up.
Grandma, get your child.
I want to have some cookies or something.
You can give her some of my candy.
Does she like bananas?
She likes sweethearts.
Oh,
Candy.
does she like bananas? Here, Lily, you like this?
Yeah, she loves bananas.
Oh, you like bananas?
Just squish them up for her.
Here, Lily.
Ew. It sounded wrong.
Yeah, Lele.
Like, just squish them up.
Okay.
Okay, well, this got in a bit better. It's not stretchy enough for me to actually give it a 10 out of 10. But it feels good. It just needs a little bit of, what's it called? Lotion? Yeah.
Right
we have-
now.
Can I take some lotion?
Yeah, go ahead. It's in the bathroom. So my slime is actually kind of sticky, but I'm trying not to add